Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin with two essentials: a verified neon ray model and a reliable backup. Once done, make sure battery is at least 50% and use the original USB cable. Now, you need to enter recovery, hold power and volume down together, or from your PC run a DB reboot recovery. Doing this gets you into the device-level menus where safe mode flags are stored. You act fast here. The goal is to access system settings before any app or service reassert safe mode. Once in recovery or in a DB shell, you inspect the system for safe mode markers, typically files under /data/misc or /data/system. You can run commands: pm clear com, Android, system UI to reset system UI, and remove safe mode flags with rm/data/misc/safe mode or similar paths. If partitions are mounted read-only, make them writable. Mount ORW/data or use a custom recovery like TW. You finish by rebooting cleanly, use a DB reboot or the recovery menu and wait for a full boot cycle. Once the system starts, check settings and app behavior to verify normal operation. Make sure system UI and third-party apps load without the safe mode label. If safe mode persists, clear cache partitions and uninstall any recently installed apps that might trigger it, or reflash stock firmware as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip: if the flag reappears, a misbehaving app or corrupted firmware is likely. Isolate by safe mode testing and then reinstall stock images.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.